Okay, we got an update for you guys. We got some of the menu stickers. They were out of 2 of them. I got the other 2 coming soon. Here's what we got. So far. And we also got Watermelon Bomb Pop and Ninja Turtles. We just don't have the stickers for those yet. And then we're gonna write the prices for them there and here. And then got the freezer plugged in right now. Got cash box and receipt calculator. And we're gonna get the snacks and candy this afternoon. And here's the freezer with the ice cream and popsicles. Got the SpongeBob on a separate website because the distributor didn't have them. Yeah, that's all I got for you right now. Yeah. Yep. Pretty much it. Until we go on route later this evening after we get the snacks and candy. Yep. Thanks for watching.